So the diversity visa lottery results 2024 are in. If you participated and you want to know what the next steps are, we'll cover all this in this video. Hello everybody and welcome back to Immigration Channel. This is where we explain complex immigration matters in short, simple videos. And in this video, we'll talk about the Diversity Visa Lottery 2024. The results are in. They were released on May 6th. We'll talk about what that means for you, how to check your results, and what are the next steps if you participated or thinking about participating later this year. So the Department of State finally announced the winners of the Diversity Visa Lottery 2024. Remember, out of the millions of people that applied for this, only 55,000 were selected. The Diversity Visa Lottery essentially allows applicants from countries that typically don't send too many immigrants to the United States a chance at getting a green card. And many of the applicants who get their green card, usually through the visa lottery, wouldn't have any other way to get a green card except from participating in the visa lottery. There's been a lot of confusion over the years by many applicants as to how to apply for the Diversity Visa Lottery. Back in the old days, you had to mail those forms with your pictures and it was very confusing. But in the past several years, the State Department has a website. They're going to release it every year in October and they're going to close it in November. And it's very simple to apply online and it doesn't cost anything. So how do you check if you were selected? You're going to see right here a link to the State Department's status check, DV Lottery status check. We also linked it in the description of this video. So make sure you use only this link. It's the official government link to check whether you've been selected in the lottery this year. Once you get on this website, you're going to be able to enter the confirmation number that you received when you registered to the DV Lottery last year. Now remember, avoid scams. The State Department is never going to notify you by email or by mail that you've been selected. There are many scams going around right now. Do not fall for these scams. The only way for you to verify if you've been selected is by going to this website that I mentioned before, also link in the description of this video, straight to the State Department website, and there you're going to put your confirmation number and it will tell you if you were selected. Does that mean that if you were selected, you're going to get a green card automatically? The answer is no. Just because you were selected, it still doesn't mean you're going to be able to finish the green card process. Once you're selected, you have to complete the green card application process to make sure you're admissible to the United States. You're going to have to submit forms online like DS-260 and other forms. But most importantly, even if you are selected, you have to check the visa bulletin every month to make sure that your numbers are current to be able to proceed with the application for the green card. Remember, you have to complete this process by the end of September 2023. If you're not going to do so, you're going to lose your eligibility. So you have to check that your numbers are current with the visa bulletin and that you've completed all the forms that are required to finish your process to immigrate to the United States. Once you've verified that you've been selected and that your visa numbers are current, you should file those forms immediately to make sure that you can finish that process before the end of September 2024. If you miss that deadline, you will miss the eligibility to apply for the green card. If you participated in the Diversity Visa Lottery 2024, what you have to do now is go on their website and check if you were selected. If you were selected, then you can proceed with the rest of the forms and start applying as soon as you can so you don't miss your eligibility. Once again, if you need help with any of your immigration matters, including this one, all you have to do is send me a text, 619-483-4549. I'm here to help you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.